The Blusafe Apollo keyless door handle offers a versatile keyless entry system, allowing you to unlock your door using fingerprint, keypad, keycard, or mobile app for ultimate convenience. Designed to fit most standard multi-point locking systems, the Apollo provides compatibility with 90% of lift-up handle-to-lock mechanisms. Built to withstand the elements, this door handle is made from a robust zinc alloy with a 7-layer plating process, ensuring it is fully waterproof and corrosion-resistant. Powered by 4 standard AA batteries, the Blusafe Apollo ensures long battery life and provides notifications through voice and app alerts when battery replacement is needed. With the ability to share electronic keys and control access remotely via the app, this smart lock offers a truly keyless experience and enhanced home security. Professional installation is recommended to ensure optimal performance and compatibility, allowing you to fully enjoy the benefits of this advanced smart lock system.